Balita ko, pangarap mo maging sundalo, pero hindi ka pa nakakapag-apply. Hayaan mo, turuan kita. Panoorin tong video na to kung paano mag-apply. Para sa at least K-12 graduate to First, itype lang natin ang pma.edu.ph at pipiliin natin yung sign up instead. And if i-fill out lang natin yung mga needed information. And then, pindutin natin yung I agree. Okay? And then, pindutin natin yung next at hahanapan tayo ng verification code, which is makikita natin sa email natin. Typically, nasa spam siya. So, ikakopy lang natin yung verification code at ida-direct tayo sa portal, sa registration. And if fill out lang natin yung mga needed information, make sure na walang makalimutan. And then, save information. So, this time, kailangan natin mag-upload ng mga requirements. Pindutin natin to. And upload muna natin yung Form 137 or 38. Choose file, and then i-save lang natin. So next natin i-upload yung birth certificate, choose file, and then i-save lang din natin. So mag-notify sa atin kung successful yung registration natin at bibigyan tayo ng exam permit. Okay? So after that, maghintay tayo ng examination day, August to September. So once makapasa, mag-undergo tayo ng complete physical exam and deliberation. Okay? So good luck everyone at kaya niyo yan.